Alright, here's a little video I'm making for my shopsmith, which is making a strange tapping sound. My suspect is that this spring is tapping on the inside of this cup, but I don't know if that's a common occurrence or what. But anyway, I'm going to turn it on and go up through the speeds and see if the tapping will be picked up on this little camera. So we're going to try and see. As you can see, when I bring the RPMs down, it quietens down. I can almost see this spring is moving around. So that's my suspect. What do you guys think?